Are you tired of struggling with your car's brake system? Welcome back, gearheads! Today, we're diving into the world of brake maintenance. If you want to ensure your vehicle stops on a dime and keeps you safe on the road, you're in the right place. We'll unveil the best brake bleeder tool that every DIY mechanic needs to have in their arsenal. Whether you're a novice or a pro, this game-changing product simplifies the brake bleeding process and saves you time and money. Stick around as we break down features, our top picks, and insider tips to get you moving with confidence. Let's get started. Number 5. Aries 70923, your ultimate solution for brake maintenance. This 1-liter vacuum brake fluid bleeder operates efficiently using standard workshop air supply with a working pressure of 71 to 113 psi. Designed for convenience, it features a handy hanging hook and a locking trigger, allowing for hands-free operation. No need to call for backup while you bleed your brakes. The transparent drain hose lets you easily inspect old fluid as it drains, ensuring a thorough flush of your entire disc or drum brake system. Trusted for its reliability and efficiency, Aries tools come back by their performance assurance, promising exceptional customer support as needed. Plus, by choosing Aries, you're supporting a great cause as they proudly participate in the ASPCA Business Ambassador Program. Make the Aries 70923 your go-to for the best brake bleeder and experience effortless brake fluid maintenance like never before. Number 4. EWK Pneumatic Vacuum Brake Fluid Bleeder Extractor Pump is the ultimate solution for efficient brake maintenance. Designed for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts, this 22-piece set includes a powerful 2-liter collection reservoir and 17 versatile adapters, making it suitable for a variety of vehicles, including cars, trucks, motorcycles, and ATVs. Its easy operation feature allows you to bleed, flush, drain, and collect brake and clutch fluid without any spillage, making it a one-person job. With a variable thumb throttle for adjustable airflow and a built-in silencer for quiet operation, this tool ensures a smooth experience every time. The transparent bleeder hoses let you visually monitor the fluid draining process, so you're always in control. Moreover, the durable design comes with an impressive 12 plus 6-month warranty, providing peace of mind with every purchase. If you're seeking the best brake bleeder on the market, look no further than the EWK Pneumatic Vacuum Brake Fluid Bleeder Extractor Pump. Number 3. SMOTIVEPRO 2L Manual Brake Bleeder Fluid Pump, the best brake bleeder for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This top-notch brake bleeder kit is designed specifically for all vehicles with 45mm threaded hydraulic fluid reservoir caps, making it compatible with most European models. Crafted from high-rigidity plastic, it boasts exceptional durability and corrosion resistance, ensuring long-lasting performance. What sets this kit apart is its user-friendly design, equipped with a ring wrench to protect screws from damage and a pressure gauge to monitor fluid pressure at all times. The 2L tank capacity and convenient one-man operation allow you to bleed hydraulic braking and clutch systems with ease. Featuring a quick-connect one-way siphoning method and a transparent hose paired with a 1L waste oil bottle, the SMOTIVEPRO brake bleeder is stable, effective, and straightforward to use. Unleash the potential of your braking system safely and efficiently with SMOTIVEPRO. Number 2. BILITOOLS 3L Vacuum Brake Bleeder Kit. This lightweight and portable pneumatic tool allows for seamless brake, clutch, and engine oil changes by just one person, thanks to its automatic cutoff feature. Unlike many other bleeders, this kit boasts a larger capacity, providing continuous suction for quick bleeding of brake and clutch lines. Experience the convenience of a quick, clean, and efficient operation without the need for specialized brake reservoir caps. The innovative design draws fluid directly from the bleed screw, making either bleeding or full fluid replacement a breeze. With a 1L refill bottle, a 3L pneumatic tank, a 63-inch flexible hose, and 16 bleed screw adapters, this kit is suitable for most standard and ABS brake systems. Enjoy maximum inlet air pressure of 4.8 to 11.6 bar and an average air consumption of 4.5 CFM. Elevate your DIY projects with the BILITOOLS 3L Vacuum Brake Bleeder Kit, your go-to choice for the best brake bleeder. Number 1. Motive Products 0100 European Power Brake Bleeder Kit is here to transform your brake maintenance routine. This exceptional kit comes with a 45mm threaded adapter, 1100, that is compatible with most European cars, making it a versatile choice for any automotive enthusiast. With its unique pressurized brake fluid system, it effectively forces out air and old fluid from your brake lines, ensuring your brakes perform at their best. Designed with durability in mind, its rust-proof construction guarantees years of maintenance-free service. Plus, this power bleeder is engineered for easy one-person operation, allowing you to work confidently from the comfort of your home, shop, or even at the track. Proudly made in the USA, this tool will not only simplify your brake bleeder tasks but also provide you peace of mind, knowing you're using a top-quality product. Upgrade your brake maintenance with the Motive Products 0100 Power Brake Bleeder Kit today. In conclusion, selecting the best brake bleeder is essential for maintaining your vehicle's braking system. With the right tools at your disposal, you can ensure your brakes perform optimally and safely. Remember to consider factors like efficiency, ease of use, and compatibility with your vehicle type when making your choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Share this video with fellow car enthusiasts, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.